All right, another one from the January 2024 gas leak series. Another one kind of hitting the new hotness, which is the zipper lines. So excited to see what this comes out from. Zipper lines, of course, there's a number in the middle, and all the numbers branching out for it have to add up to that number. I think that's literally the only thing I have here. So yeah, so this is a 1, 1, 7, add up to 8. These two numbers will have to add up to 8. Punch in, and yeah, we can also get the same digits on the opposite side of the lines here. Oh, this is interesting. This 6, or it could be 3s. But we can just restrict ourselves to that for now. And we know this cannot be a 4, therefore this cannot be a 2. This also cannot be 4, so that's not a 2. This is not a 5, therefore this is not a 1. This is not a 2. This is not a 4. Anything else we can remove from this line? Don't think so. Okay. And what else is somewhat restricted? Nothing else? Okay. Let's start with the 7, which could be anything up to a 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can get rid of 3, 4 from here. Get rid of 4 and 3 from here. We can get rid of 1, 6 from here. This cannot be a 5, so this cannot be a 2. And I think that's about it. Well, this is now a 2, 5 pair, isn't it? So this is not a 2. And this is not a 5. Okay, how about this 8? 8 can be anything up to 7, but we already have a 1, 7, so we're looking at they can't be 4s, so they can be 2 6s or 3 5. This obviously can't be a 5, so this can't be a 3. Now, if we use 3 5, does that restrict our options here? It does, right? 3 and 5, which means both of these need to be 1. So this cannot be a 3 5. This must be a 2 6. Gets rid of the 2 here and the 4 here. Well, 1 3 5 triple here, which leaves us with 4 9 and 8, right? This is the 4. This is an 8 9 over here. This is a 2 5 pair, so this is a 6, and that's a 2. This is no longer 6. This is no longer 1. Let's take a look at this 8 line here. Can it be 1 7? The answer is yes, it can be 2 6. If it is a 2, no, there's a 2 right here. 3 5, not be that's 5, and a 4. So this is just 1 7, which makes this a 3 and a 3. Oh, I don't know why I left the 3 in there. This can only be a 1 5. This is now a 6. What's that? 1. We have a healthy 9 in the middle. We are missing what? 3 and 2, which goes this way. This is the other 8 9. In here, there is an 8 9 and a 3 missing in here. Let's take a look at this 7 here. 7, you can be a 1 6 this way. You could be a 2 5. No, there's a 5 on here. These are taken. This is only one possibility. Okay. Was not expecting that, honestly. Oh, here 9 can be a 1 8 this way. 2 7 can be done this way. 2 7 3 6. There's a 6 on this line. 4 5. 4 5 is hella possible. Okay. Okay, what can this number be? Let's see. Think about it for a second here. If it was a 4 would require 1 3 and a 1 3. No, it could also be a 2. So it could be 1 3 2 2. But there's a 1 right here, so it can't be a 4. So 5 could be 2 3, but there's 2 3s here and a 1, so it can't be a 5. C is a 6, C is a 7, C is an 8, so this is a 9. Might as well try penciling some of the stuff. All the 1s are taken. Can it be a 2 7? 7's taken out of here. So these could be 7s. So these could be 7s, which means these can be 2s. 3 6. This cannot be a 3. Oh, so this can't be a 6. This can't be a 6. So the 3 6s are gone. 2 7s, 3 6, 4 5 is the only one. These can't be 5s. This can be a 5. that's the case. This has to be 5, 4, and we're left with just the 2, 7 inside. This is no longer 5, which means this is no longer 4. Now, that's a 9, which makes this an 8. Okay, let's work our magic over here now. Okay, we have the possibility of a 4, right? So it could be 1, 3, 2, 2. So it could be a 4. 1, 3, 2, 2. It's possible. Could be a 5, maybe? 5. This could be a 2 or 4. No, it can't be a 4. So this would be 2, this would be 3. No, can't be a 5. Everything's eliminated. 1s and 3s. So it can't be a 5. 6, 7, and 8 are there, and it could be a 9. Could be a 9. Okay. If this is a 9, can't be a 1, 8 here. Can't be 1s at all. 2s. Don't see these 2, so these could be a 2, 7 this way. 3 6s. 6 sees all of it, and then 4, 5. 4s can be here, here, and here. 5 can't be here, so this can't be a 4. So these can be 4s, which makes these 5s. Okay, that's all the candidates available for that. Now, we are missing on this here, missing 4 numbers. It is 1, 2, 4, 5, and 9. That's not very cool now, is it? We're missing 3 numbers here too, right? This is a 3. This is an 8, 9. This way. Which puts this here. One of these has to be a 4, 5, and 6. Missing. Which puts the 6 right here. Which puts a 6 over here, which puts a 6 over here, which puts the 6 back in our original spot over here. That's nice. 1, 2, 4, 9. This is the 4. It's not a, this is not a 1, this is not a 2. We are missing a 1 up here. 2, 5, 7, and an 8. These cannot be 2s. This is not a 2 either. Okay, what are we missing here? 3, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 8. What is even left here? Why do I have a 1 here? This can't be an 8 anymore. Let's get rid of that 1. Now we have a 5, 7 pair, so this is the 8. This is not a 5. This is not a 4. This is not a 7. This is not a 2. Therefore, that's a 5. That's a 4. How long has that 3 been there? Just spotted that. A little bit slow. That's okay. Oh, I think we already know this is... Wait, this can't be a 1 then. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. These could be 2s, right? No, this is a 2. Wait. think I made a wrong assumption here about this. Yes, right here. An assumption about this composition, didn't I? Right, what did I do? Why did I put a 5 here? Aha, yes, I thought this was a 9. Okay. Okay, so this is true. 5, 7. This is not a 7. But that could still be a 2. This could still be a 2. That's important. This is not 5 though. Can this still be a 4? No, cannot be a 4. So this is a 1, 3. Indeed. So this is a 2. This is a 2. This is a 4. That makes that a 9. Ooh. 2 mistakes tonight. But both recoverable mistakes, so. Just a way of, I guess, demonstrating how to recover from your own mistakes. Don't do what I do, but if you do, then do what I do. That makes sense. What's left here? 8 and 4. This has to be a 5. I didn't finish these again because I undid them. This is a good skill to have, like maintaining when card games and stuff like board games we call it, maintaining a board state in your head as to what things are like. It's useful in chess too, right, where you just have a mental image of what the state of the thing is, and even if a piece gets moved a little bit off to the side, you kind of remember exactly where things were based on what ideas you were thinking about, what plans you were thinking about. So you'll be like, this piece could have been here because I was thinking about this, and that didn't make sense. So in this case here, the ability to be able to rewind and try to figure out, okay, well, how did I make that mistake and where was that wrong assumption made, also comes from maintaining that kind of board state in your head as you're going through this and trying to remember what your plans were and why you were thinking ways that, and then identifying where was the problem area, because you knew where you have the conflict. That's the problem area, so you can kind of zone in on there, kind of like, okay, where am I making the wrong assumptions? But yeah, that was a cool one.